Love and greetings. My name is Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. Welcome back. If you're here for the first time, then you're going to have to get ready for something completely different, because we approach marriage in a very different way. So this topic is how to make your spouse stay with you. This is just for men. We also have one for women, but it's different because you're married to a woman. You're not married to a man. So the things that are important to you are not necessarily important to your wife. But I will say this, all of us, men and women, get married for the same three reasons. Number one, we want to be happy. So I'll ask you right off the bat, are you making your wife happy? Are you transcending your bad habits, your bad speech, your anger, your negativity, your grumpiness? Are you transcending that and treating her in a way that says to her, I just want you to be happy? That's number one. Number two is all of us get married because we want love. In fact, all of us say, I fell in love with him, I fell in love with her, and that's why I got married. Are you expressing love? I'm not just talking about words. Words are shallow. But what about your behavior? Are you putting her first? Are you thinking about her while you're busy doing something else and thinking about what can I do to please my wife? Are you infusing love into your marriage? Look, we don't do surface stuff at the Marriage Foundation. If you, for instance, take the course for men, which is incredible, we help thousands of individuals. It's an individual thing every year. And we begin with change yourself, and we guide you in how to do it, but not the surface stuff. We talk about how to recreate yourself into a person who's filled with happiness. You have to be happy. Filled with love. You have to have love to give love. And the third reason we get married is harmony. Are you an a-hole towards your wife? Or do you work on being pleasant, easy to converse with? Someone who makes her feel loved and appreciated and thought about? Is she the only one for you? It's got to start with that. We all make mistakes. None of us are perfect. But we have to come back always to those three pole stars: happiness, love, and harmony. It's all about that. It's all about changing ourselves. I can give you a bunch of things to do and don't. In fact, you should go to our website and download the 10 top do's and don'ts for marriage. It's going to be useful for you. But mostly you got to work on changing yourself. Not doing this, not doing that. And then you don't have to talk her into staying with you. She'll stay with you because she loves you, and she loves being with you, and she admires you and adores you. One thing about women that men don't have is this ever expansive heart. We men just aren't connected to our hearts the way women are. And I'm not talking about emotions. Emotions are a drag. But the heart quality, the soul quality of love, oh, it's wonderful. So like the video, please. Subscribe to the channel. Come and visit again. Go to our website, see what we have. And we hope this helped you. Again, I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. I'm glad you stopped by. Thank you. God bless you. And take care.